you click on volume, and you can't turn up your voice. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add music from the TikTok library to your video reply comment. I've gotten this question a couple of times. Keep watching, I'm going to show you what to do. So enough of looking at me, I'm going to go ahead and show you a screen recording of me in TikTok showing you how to do this. But before I do that, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. That way I can continue to bring you tips and tricks like this. Alright guys, let's go. So I'm doing a screen recording now. I already found a video that I'm going to use. I am on my comments, as you can see, and there's my son in the middle, Mikhail Moreland. You guys can go follow him also. Mikhail Moreland, that's my son. So he commented, "I can't believe you did that." And so let's go ahead and click on that comment.
The first method consists of a makeup artist applying eye drops to the actor's eyes.
Babe, we need to buy a new big screen TV.
So let's pause that. Let's go to his comment. "I can't believe you did that," and he laugh emoji. Now, someone wanted to know, how can you do a video reply and say what you're saying, like me talking right now, with music from the library in there? So let me show you what they were encountering, or what you're likely encountering right now if you don't know how to do it. It's not that it's hard to add music. It's what people are encountering is, how do I have my voice be at a good hearing level and music? So you can do both, but let me show you what they're probably encountering. So I hit record. It pops up me. And I'm going to just say something basic. "Son, yeah, I did that. I am trying to get that TV. TV for me, and then we can all watch TV in the big screen." You know what I'm saying? So let's play that back real quick. "Son, yeah, I did that. I am trying to get that TV for me, and then we can all watch TV in the big screen." You know what I'm saying? "Son, yeah, I did that. I am trying to get that TV." Play that back, but hey, if you're dancing, or maybe if you're doing a dance battle, you want to probably talk and add music. So on here, you can click on the add music on the bottom left. We'll add the yike for life. And we're going to do it real quick, that way I don't get no copyright. I added the sound. Now we'll go to volume, and it actually lets me turn both of them down. I can turn my original talking up. I can turn the music down, or I can adjust it. What people are encountering, what I found out, it's when you do it. So you don't want to add the music first. Let me get out of here. Let's do this all over again. I'm gonna erase that. What you don't want to do is add the music first, and I'm gonna show you why. Let's go ahead and click up at the top where it says sounds. Let's click on all sounds. Here we go. That same sound. So I add that sound. I can shoot up for 6 seconds. Now watch this. "Hey, I'm trying to get that big screen TV." You know what I'm saying? Now let's play it back. You don't hear my voice. You hear the music, but you don't hear my voice. Why? Because I selected the music first, and then I hit record. So this is what I'm sure people are encountering, and so they're like, "Man, how do I talk and add music at the same time?" So now if you go to sounds, you click on volume, boom. You notice you click on volume, you can't turn up, I'm going to turn this down. You click on volume, and you can't turn up your voice. All you can do is adjust the sound of the music. But you're like, "Hold on, I'm doing a video reply. Why can I turn up my voice and the music?" And so the answer to your question in this video tutorial is you have to speak first and then add the music. So the only time I can see this being a problem is if someone wanted to do a video reply and dance to the beat and at the same time talk. Because you can't hit record to talk and then add the music after you talk and expect it, you can't dance a cappella. You can't dance, I don't know what that is, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about. You can't dance a cappella, and then go add the music. and expect the music to be on beat. This is how you add your voice and music from the TikTok library to a video reply comment. Hope that helps. Use it however you can or will, because I don't know for the people that ask me how they plan on using it, but this is how, so you can adjust both your audio and the music. If you select the music first and then hit record to start talking, you will not be able to hear yourself because you need to do it in the other order. You need to talk first, then add the music from the library. Hope you liked that video. For those that wanted to know how to do it, I hope that really helped and broke it down a little bit. And if you have any other questions, make sure you put that in a comment. If this answered your question also, or maybe you found this video on Browse or Search or on Google, let me know where you found this video at. That way it can help me out. Also, leave your username for TikTok in the comments. I have followed a number of people that have left their username in the comments and went to their profile, checked them out, say, okay, they got something cool going on, so I followed them. So if you want to follow and you got something cool on your profile, chances are the only way I can do that is if you leave it in the comments. Make sure you also check out my TikTok playlist. There's tons of things on there that you can learn. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone and make sure you drop a like. All right, guys.